Hello friends, I am Dr. Evit Rukmani from Sharad Institute of Technology College of Engineering. Today we are going to see the topic string and how to string using your Python. First see the definition of string. What actually is string? String is a data type. A string is a sequence of a characters. That means collection of number of characters that is called as your string. A string is a letter you just quotas hello or hello. That means first hello used in your single quotas and second hello used in your double quotas. For the string, plus means concatenate. If you want to join two string that used for the plus symbol, that is called as a concatenate. When a string contains numbers, it is still a string. See here carefully. When a string contain numbers, it is still a string. We can convert number in a string into a number using integer. That means you can easily convert it for different data type string into different data type string. That means your string available in your characters, numbers converted into your integer. See here one by one example. That is this what is string? The string is a sequence of character. That is a str1 equal to hello and str2 equal to there. That means two string here defined. String 1 defined for a hello and string 2 defined for a there. Then for string plus means how to use for that plus symbol. See that concatenate. That is one string here defined bob, one variable name defined equals to string first plus string 2. That means string here defined. String first is called as for your hello and string 2 called for your there. Join of these two string. Then print of bob. That means finally there is a print for the hello there. That is a concatenate of that two string. Then again jump to the third part. When a string contain numbers, it is a still string. If in any string contain a number, it is also called as a string. That is a C here. str3 equals to 1 to 3. str3 equal to str3. That means this plus 1. That means again show the error. If you want to define in this way, that is a when we convert number in string into a number using integer. That is see that example x equal to 8 str plus 1. That means you define that string that is a particular data type that is an integer and for addition of plus 1 that is addition you cannot use particular numbers. That time only they can addition. Suppose here str3 define 1 to 3 and you want to add plus 1 that means finally print out displaying 124. That is a print x equal to 124. Okay, that is correct. See the third part to how to define string. That is string 1 equal to double quotas, string 2 equal to single quotas. Then concatenate of this string 1 plus string 2, the print variable name. Finally concatenate of two string. That is the example here. Hello there. Again for you want to then contain numbers for particular string. Again finally to mention only data type, that is x equal to integer string 3 plus 1 print x 1 to 4. Okay. The next reading and converting. Here only defining string. Then how to you reading and converting. We prefer to read data in using string and then pass and convert the data as we need. See here, we prefer to read data in using a string and then pass and convert the data as we need. This gives us more control over a error situation and or bad user input. Finally, raw input numbers must be converted from string. That means here example, first name equal to raw input, that is conversion. Enter whatever you want, enter the string chunk, print name. What is your name? That is chunk. Then apple equal to raw input, whatever you input, enter. Enter input, that means what is the input command? We see in the article. If you want to something taken from user side, that time use directly input command. Input, enter the number. Input, enter the something. In this way, that is a use here input. That is a command. Enter 100 x equal to apple minus 10. That is error because of the string with some minus and performing some arithmetic operation. Again, you define it same performing arithmetic operation, defining it, that is a conversion type. That is a x equal to int apple in bracket minus 10. Finally, print x, that is a 90. That is 100 minus 10. That time only to 90. That means reading and converting particular string. Then looking inside a string. In looking inside a string, see here, we can get any single character in a string using an index specified in sequence bracket. See here, we can get any single characters in a string using an index specified in sequence bracket. If you want to specify it in sequence, that is a specified in square bracket. Okay, that is here. Example given, fruit in bracket 1, that is a square bracket. The index value must be an integer and start at 0. That is, the index value must be integers and start at 0. The index value can be an expression that is a computed. That is example given here, banana, C B A N A N A. That is the index is assigned from starting from 0 up to 5. Total 6 character present in banana. Index is assigned starting from 0. That means assigning character that is for 0, assigning indices from 0 to 5 numbers. Again example, fruit equal to banana, whatever you have taken. Then later fruit of 1. Whatever indices 1 available character you want to print, that is later equal to fruit 1, whatever your 1 number available, indices 1. Here indices 1 available character, that is A. That means print later, automatically print the output A. Again you want to n equal to 3, defining w equal to fruit n minus 1. W print equal to w. What is your fruit? Your number of element, that is a n. If you want to put n, then next point, that is a for a character to far. How to character for to far? Suppose long character. Then how to display errors? Okay, how to display message error message, because index is not available and you want to enter such type of a number, that automatically interpreter Python interpreter display the errors. That is, you will get Python error if you attempt to index beyond the end of a string. Correct. That is a, so be carefully when constructing index values and slices. Suppose example given here, GOT1 variable name define equal to string in ABC, and if you want to print the GOT5, that means what is 5? 5, that indices of that particular, here available total character, how many character, that is ABC, that is 3 character available, and user want to print for a 5 number indices. If no character available, that is 5 number, automatically display the error. Here, then string have a length. How to string have a length? Suppose there is a built-in a function len that gives us length of a string. That means you defining this function len, len, it gives the length of a string. That is, you defining character banana, total length of that is a character is a 6. That you want to length of how much long of string, fruit equal to banana, print len of fruit, how much length of that particular string, 6. Suppose you want to your name. What is your name? Suppose X, Y, Z, ABC, your name. That is how many string of your character, that is X, Y, Z 3 and ABC 3. That means 6 number. Automatically your print, that is a 6. Then len function. How to define that len function? What actually function? A function is a sum store code, that we are already seen in function chapter. A function is a sum store code that we use. A function takes some input and produce an output. That is already seen in the lectures, earlier lecture. Function is some store code that we have used a function, take some input and produce an output. That is a fruit equal to banana, banana input, x equal to len fruit, print x equal to 6. Banana as your input, some of the function operation, that is input, take that encode store code, perform some operation and display the output, that is 6 is a output, that is your code. df len blah blah for x in y blah blah, whatever code available, that means this code you are available, that is box len function, automatic output display as a 6. Next topic related string, that is a looping through string. How to loop? How to looping through string with the string? That means using a while statement and an iteration variable and the len function, we can construct a loop to look at each of the letter in a string individually. That is, fruit equal to banana, that means indices equal to 0. What are the indices 0? That is a B character available. That means here 6 number total character available this string banana, that indices start from 0 to 5. That means while index, here looping use. How to looping use in string? While, if you are assigning condition while loop, while index, what is your condition? Index len of fruit, that means later equal to fruit indices, every time to take the indices of that particular character and to print later. then print index, later index equal to index plus 1, jump to the next. That is first index is 0 available B, print the B. Second index is 1 available A, print the A. Second index is available N, print the N. Third index is available A character, print the A character. The next fourth index is available N character, print the N character. And finally to fifth number index available A character, print the A. That means index plus 1, that means it will increment. First to display 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Looping through string. How to looping through string? A definite loop using a for statement is much more elegant. The iteration variable is a completely taken care of by the for loop. That is fruit equal to banana for later in fruit, print later. That means if you want to use for loop for whatever the later available, that fruit in fruit, that means fruit one variable to define that string banana, for later in a fruit, print later, that is BANA, that is a finite display of that whatever the later available that particular variables. Again another examples, that is fruit equal to banana for later, print later. Then indices, if you want to define index equal to 0, then file index less than len of fruit, then later equals to fruit index, print later index equal to index plus 1. That means if you define that indices position that is 0, then while index less than of len fruit, then later equal to fruit index, print later finally index plus 1. That means using for loop you can also define it for your indices. That means finally output again come to for banana. That is a here statement given. The later variable is a completely taken care by the for loop. Getting? Then looping and counting. Suppose you want to define looping and how much time the looping is continuous. That is how to counting that. This is a simple loop that loops through each letter in a string and counts the number of times the loops encounters a character. That is a word equal to banana, count equal to 0 for letter in a word. If letter equals to A, count equals to count plus 1, print count. See here example, if you defining word equals to banana, then count equal to 0 for letter in a word. If letter equals to A, okay, that is a count of 0. How many times that A letter? That is a count equal to count plus 1 and finally count, print count. Next for looking deeper into in. Now here the new concept used for looking deeper into in. How to use in? That is the iteration variable iterates the sequence, that is the order set. That is a looking deeper into in. The iteration variable iterates the sequence order set. Whatever your sequence order set, that can be using in. That is a block body of code is executed once for each value in the sequence. Okay, that means the iteration variable moves through all of the values in the sequence. For later in banana, print later. How many times to that particular sequence, that is print here. Now see, in these examples, iteration variable that is for your later and 6 character string that is banana, that is given here. Definition, the iteration variable iterates the sequence, that means this character variable iteration, later is one variable, iteration variable to those sequence, that is order set, that is banana, 6 character string. That means block of a body of code execute once each value in the sequence. What is a block of body? That is a print of that particular block of body. Okay, banana is your block of body. See here is same in graphically, that is a if done advance later, then print later, that is banana here, for later in banana, print there. The iteration variable iterates the string and the block body of code executed once for each value in the sequence. Whatever the sequence given here, that is banana is a given one word, one string, whatever the sequence, that block of body, that is a print later, automatically print that, that means BANANA, print that particular sequence. Now here one more example, taking two string join here. That is, suppose we can also look at any continuous section of a string using a colon operator. And by using colon operator, that is joining of the simply two string whatever here, then the second number in one beyond the end of a slice is up to but not including. If the second number is beyond the end of the string, it stop at the end. That is Monty and Python. Two string defining. In Monty is your 5 number character, and Python that is your 6 number. That is 5 plus 6, that is 11. Total index available for the 6, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, one blank because that is used for your colon. If example s equal to Monty space Python print s of 0, 4. What you want to, starting from 0 indices to 4 indices, whatever the characters available 0 to 4, that means only print final output Monty. That is see here, check go diagram 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, whatever available that print, that is C. 0 M is print, 1 O, 2 N, and 3 T. That is a Monty is a to print. Again print as 6 of 7. If you want to index 6 and 7 print, what is 6 and 7? That is a P Y 6 to 7. That means P present, that is a P. Print 6 to 20. 6 to 20. What is 6 to 20? Then PYTHON Python. Here 20 not, but up to 11 available, whatever the character available up to 11, automatic print, that is a Python. That is a slicing of string. It is called as a slicing of string. That you can also groups of string will be defined. Again, see, if we leave of the first number or the last number of the slices, it is assumed to be beginning or end of the string respectively. If you want to leave the first number and last letter, suppose you want to first letter leave and last letter, Monty Python yes or colon 2. Okay, that means 2. What is 2? You print M and 1. Up to 2 you want to display, you leave also last character, that is a M of display, that is 0, 1. Print S of up to 8, that is up to 8. Whatever the 8 you want to only print, that means up to 8, that is THON, that means up to 8. After 8, whatever the character available, that is a print. That means print S of 8. See here, index is 8, THON available, that means print 8, that means THON. In first case, whatever up to the 2 only, that means 0, 1 MO available up to the 2. After 8, whatever the character available, print here S of A8 colon. What is the syntax? See the difference between these two syntax. What is the print as colon 2, and here print as 8 colon. That means after 8 you can display whatever the character remaining in the string, and colon 2, that means before that indices. Okay. Then print directly colon. That means here one null available, that is a colon is defining. You can simply define that print S colon, that is a Monty and Python. That is a these characters available. If you want to define colon, simply whatever the early and whatever the after available, that particular colon automatically display, that is Monty Python. That is a slicing string. Then next, that is a string concatenation. What actually string concatenation? When the plus operator is applied to a string, it means concatenations. That is a equal to hello and b equal to a plus there. That means if you want to print b, join of this a plus there. That means print b, a whatever the character available, a string, that is hello, hello plus there. That is finally print hello there. Again for c equal to a plus single quota plus there. That is a print c, hello there, because this is a space, that is a hello space there. If you want to give the space of 2 words, simply plus space add here in single quotas automatically to display the space of the 2 words. Using in as an operator, how to use in is an operator. The in keyword can also be used to check to see if one string is in another string. Okay, the in keyword can also be used to check to see if one string is in another string. There in expression is a logical expression. See here, in expression is a logical expression and returns true or false and can be used in an if statement. Okay, fruit equal to banana and in fruit. Okay, and available in fruit, that is a true. That means in statement simply that is this character particular available that given string or not. That means here example fruit equal to banana, one string is given. What is your statement condition? N in fruit, n available in fruit or not? If n is available, that means true. Another your statement m in fruit, m is available fruit or not? False, because m is not available, that is false. Any n in a fruit and a n, that is a true. If a in a fruit, print found it. That means if a available in a string, that is a fruit, then print found it. Okay, automatically a available, then found it. Message will be this. Then string comparison. How to use string comparison in for your Python? If word equal to banana, print all writes bananas. Okay. If word available banana, whatever message you want to print, all writes bananas. Second, if word less than of bananas, print your word plus word comes before bananas. And if word greater than banana, print your word plus word comes after bananas. Else all write banana. That means simple condition put it. What is first condition? If word less than of banana, any word you are given and less than of banana, then what is the print your word? What is your word? That is banana plus word. What is the word bananas? Comes before banana. That 3 times to display. See here, string library. What actually string library? In Python has a number of a string function which are in a string library. Okay, Python has a number of a string function which are in the string library. These functions are already built into every string. We invoke them by appending the function to the string variable. The function do not modify the original string. Instead, they return a new string that has been altered. See here, the function do not modify the original string. That means your function cannot modify the original string. Whatever your original string is provided, do not modify. Instead, they return a new string has been altered. Suppose your greet equals to hello bob, example given zap after that. Greet dot lower, that means your string library. Lower is your define as a string library is to print. That means final output zap hello bob. Print again greet hello bob, print hi. That means there dot lower, again lower defined built-in function hi there. Whatever you are defining that hello there, that is a print of hi, then hi there. That means your string library by default using your Python also. Another example, stubs equals to hello world, that is a type. Again for your built-in library stubs, type string is defined, directory stub. That means here some of the library defining, that is a capitalize, center, count, decode, encode, add weight, then expand tabs, then for find, format, index, slanum. These are the particular library used for up to the Z fit in your Python. Now these are the examples. What is the meaning of that? See one example, str.replace. You want to replace of something, that is a old comma new count. That is a return a copy of a string with all occurrence of substring, old replaced by new. Whatever the word available replaced by the new. If the optional argument count is given, only the first count occurrence are replaced. Second, string dot r find sub start 8. Return the highest index in the string where substring sub is found, such that sub is contained within S, that is start and end. Optional argument start and end are interpreted as in slice notations. Return -1 on failure. str.r-index sub started, that is like r find but rejects value error when the substring sub is not found. str.r just return fill character, return the string right just fill in a string of length weight. Padding is done using the specified field character. Default is a space. The original string is written if weight is less than length s. Some of the string library available, those are we have seen, that is str.capitalize. If you want to capitalize of the some characters string, automatically use that string library str.capitalize. str.center weight, and if you want to some center of the character, that is a use that str.center. str.end weight, str.find if you want to something, that is str.find use. str.ls strip, that is if you want to left side of the character, that is ls. Then str.replace, if you want to replace of some character, that use that library string.lever already seen. String str.rs strip, that is the right side. Then str.s strip, and finally str.upper, that is upper of the some characters. Now see, searching a string, we use the find function to search the substring within another string. Okay, that is using of that string find function, using you can search substring within another string, that is find the first occurrence of the substring. If the substring is not found, find return -1. Remember that string position start at 0. That is important. Remember that string position start at 0. That is a fruit equals to banana. Then pause equals to fruit dot find a. If you want to find a, okay, then print pause, that is a 2. That is a found in 2 number. That is print 2. A equal to fruit dot find z. Then print a equal to -1 because this is not found. Okay, if there is something is not found, find return -1. If something is found, write the whatever your index is available, display that here. Here print pause, that is what is the pause character define na. Na is available for the string, print as a indices. If z is not available in particular string, print as a -1. That is for if the substring is not found, find return say -1. Next, making everything uppercase. If you want to make everything in string in uppercase, how to use? Which string library use? That is, you can make a copy of a string in a lowercase or uppercase. Often, when we are searching for a string using a find, we first convert string to lowercase so we can search a string regardless of case. That is, a greet equal to hello on POP is small letter, capitalize of first letter only, remaining are small. NNN equal to greet dot upper, direct use of that upper function, print NNN whatever, automatically whatever your string given, automatically convert it to capital letter. Again, if you want to same string in lower, again use for WP equal to greet dot lower, automatically print W dot hello BOP. Okay, that is upper and lower. If you want to convert that character string into upper and lower, use directly dot upper string library and here dot lower string library, automatically convert that particular character to upper and lower case. Then search and replace. If you want to replace and search a particular string, that is a using of replace library, that is a function. The replace function is like a search and replace operation in a word processor. It replaces all occurrence of the search string with the replacement string. See here example, greet equals to hello BOB. One string is defined, greet equal to hello BOB. N string greet dot replace BOB Jan. That we want to replace of that BOB with the JN. Print str hello JN. Ready? If you want to replace that BOB word using word of the Jan, automatically only dot replace use BOB Jan, print NSTR hello and Jan display. Then NSTR equal to greet dot replace OX, print HOX, and only you want to O word, whatever your particular character you want to replace. Okay, that means you want to BOB replace with that X and X replace for that. That is hello BOB. O replace with X character. That means you want to nothing, you want that BOB. Hello available O and BOB available O. Replace that O character with X. That means using that replace word also. Okay. Next, stripping white space. If you want to strip of the white space, whatever your string is defined, that is, sometimes we want to take a string and remove white space at the beginning and or end. L strip, that is your whatever you see L strip and right say your white space is removed from starting and beginning, ending. That means L strip and right strip are the left and right only. The strip remove the both the beginning and ending white space. Read hello book. There is a example given. These are the white space available. That is a single quote after some space hello, some space Bob, some space, and then single quote close. The grid. If you want to delete left side space, use of the grid dot ls strip, that is a CF. Automatically output display. Remove the left side space, automatically right side as it is. Again grid dot r3, remove your right side space, left side as it is. Again finally grid dot strip, you want to remove beginning and ending, simply use for grid dot s strip, automatically hello bob to display. That will remove your starting and ending white space. Next point, that is a prefix says line equal to please have a nice day. Line dot start with please true. Okay, what is prefix say? Suppose you define line equal to please have a nice day. Line dot start with please. Okay, line dot start with a please true, and line dot start with a p false. See here. What is the prefix line? Suppose your line start with the please word characters, please string, then line will start with the please, then display as a message true. If you line you enter, line will start with the p only. This is small p. See here, capital P, please, here small p, here display as a false because it is a case sensitive. Again, suppose from second order given the one with uct.ac.in, set some examples. The data from Stephen.Mercury, a pause, that is a data.find at the rate. Whatever data at the rate is print atmosphere 21, and whatever the index available, that is a 21. Data.find space at position print. What is the position of that at position? That means this 80 position. What is the number of position? 31. Here display this 31. Host address, that is a data at position 1 stop, print as in uct.ac.z, that means uct.ac.z. Okay, also one of the string is given, you can define, that is a passing and extracting. In summary of today's lecture, that is a what we seen up to this lecture: string type, read convert, indices string, slicing string, looping through string with for and while, concatenation string with plus operator, and finally string operation. Okay, thank you.